Hello, welcome to Easy English. Today, I thought I'd give you 40 bits of advice for what to expect when renting in the UK. Let's go. When viewing properties to live in, you might notice some odd things in the house that are actually quite normal in British homes. Carpets everywhere. Better start looking at vacuum cleaners, as carpeted properties are very popular. Some even extend the carpeted areas into the bathroom and toilet. A gas stove, a water boiler, a washing machine between the cupboards. Unfortunately, you'll also rarely get a dryer on your property. So purchase yourself a clothes horse and prepare chairs and other furnishings for your damp, clean clothes. Next thing you'll probably notice are the sinks in the UK. Due to an old issue with contamination, most houses will have separate water taps. You'll have to make the choice of either boiling hot or freezing cold. Talking of washing, you'll also find the bathroom to be a strange place. The light switch will probably be a mysterious string falling from the ceiling. There'll also be no plug sockets anywhere to be seen. Carrying on, showers have separate water heaters. Once you've been to the toilet, you might find yourself left with an option of 2 buttons on top of the loo. Nobody truly knows which is for which, if you know what I mean. What?